are going to take a quick look at a Northfield 16HD joiner. The 16 stands for 16-inch width capacity. This one is a straight knife 4-blade. It's powered by a Ruland 5 horsepower motor, 208 220 440 volt, currently wired for 208 220 volt 3-phase power. This is a 1968 model. Very original and unmolested. So that's why you're going to see things like at some point someone hit the back part of the guard and they did repair it with a piece of wood. That is a very old repair. I can almost tell you why. The guard probably dipped down and hit the corner of the blade at one point. And the wood is a good addition because it can't do that anymore. You do have a couple of vertical lines here in the fence. There's some light pitting in this outfeed table. I mean, you can kind of see it. It's a little bit heavier pitting. I mean, the table's pretty good across here. There's some heavier pitting at the end here. Don't know what happened to it. But obviously this machine is nearly 60 years old, so you're gonna find things like that. It does have 2 of your ship wheels are broken off. You don't really need them, but we're just telling you that. The fence is complete. We didn't see any repairs on the fence. Does function as it should. And again, original paint, even the starter is original to the machine, or at least the cover. Someone did add the newer safety stickers at some point. In the background, that's just our compressor turning on and cycling. Go ahead and start it. Quiet running. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.